Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys on a new $800 gaming PC build for April 2019 featuring the new GTX 1660 from Nvidia and the Ryzen 5 2600. And for $800, this PC is going to be really good value for money and price for performance. It's going to allow you to play games, work, edit videos, stream, all sorts of productivity and things like that. And in today's video I take you guys on the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers, the benchmarks, and also the future upgrades on how you can make this PC better in the future. And as always, all the parts are mentioned down below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links. So if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those links. And with that being said, let's get started. So starting off with the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. It's a 6-core 12-thread beast that is unlocked and overclockable to get some extra performance. A base clock of 3.4 GHz, a boost of 3.9, a TDP of 65 watts, and this also comes with a rate stealth cooler, so you don't have to buy a third-party one to overclock. And for $165, this is a really good CPU package. Now to house that CPU, we have the Gigabyte B450M DS3H. It's a really good, budget AM4 micro ATX motherboard that has DDR4, USB 3.1, HDMI, DVI, and M.2 slot for super fast storage. It also supports overclocking, and for $70, it's got all the essentials and in my opinion a really good feature-packed motherboard. And yeah, you get the brand reliability from Gigabyte as well. For RAM, we have 16 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4, so two 8GB sticks at 3000 MHz for $99 is a really good deal. Memory pricing has started to come down and settle a bit, and in the past few months you can get some really good deals just like this one, 16 GB for $99. And I think gone are the days for 8 GB of RAM in a gaming PC. 16 GB should be the mainstream standard in 2019, and yeah, it should get the job done for gaming and mostly every productivity related task. Now for some fast storage, we have the 512 GB Silicon Power SSD. That's a 2.5-inch form factor, also a 3-year warranty. For $59, you're getting speeds up to 500 megabytes per second in read and 500 megabytes per second in write. And in my opinion, SSD is a necessity in a build in 2019, at least a high-end one. So you should be able to store your operating system, some important programs, a bunch of games. SSD should help open those programs really quickly, and the UI responsiveness itself, Windows itself should work really fast. Everything should feel smooth when an SSD is on a computer. So for some mass storage, we have the 2TB Seagate Barracuda 3.5-inch form factor hard drive that is 7200 RPM. And for again $60, you can really not complain. You're getting 2 TB of storage, 7200 RPM, not the fastest thing in the world, but it is a very reliable hard drive from Seagate. To power this whole build up, we have the 600-watt Thermaltake Smart PSU, which is 80+ white certified and also comes with a 5-year warranty. And again, 600 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some headroom for future upgrades. And for $49.99, it's a really good deal. Now for the start of the show and the graphics card, we have the Gigabyte G4 GTX 1660. This is the overclocked edition, so you're getting 6 GB of GDDR5 memory in the WindForce 2X design, so you have 2 fans cooling the GPU, 1 HDMI, 3 display ports for $219. In my opinion, the Nvidia GTX 1660 is a really good budget graphics card for 1080p 60 FPS gaming or also entry-level 1440p gaming. To wrap this whole build up, and for the case, we have the NCXT H500. It's an ATX form factor PC case with a tempered glass side panel, a PSU shroud, liquid cooling, USB 3.0, audio jacks. It looks really simple, it has a lot of space, and for $69.99, a really good case in my opinion. Now that's about it for the parts. Let's talk about performance and the future upgrades. For $800, this PC gets the Ryzen 5 2600, 16 GB of RAM, and a GTX 1660. And that combo is really powerful for 1080p 60 FPS gaming in the modern AAA titles or more at medium to max settings. And in most cases, you'll be getting more than 60 FPS. You can do high refresh rate gaming in the older or esports titles like CSGO, League of Legends, Dota 2, Team Fortress 2, World of Warcraft, and things like that. The games that are easier to run or don't require a lot of power, you should be able to play at 144Hz or even 240Hz. 1080p medium to max settings, depending upon the resolution and the settings, you should be getting good frame rates. So tweak around to get the best playable experience. And this PC is not only able to do gaming, but also you can stream them to Twitch or YouTube. Also do productivity tasks like editing and 3D modeling and things like that. High-end tasks should go well with this one, as you have the Ryzen 5 2600's multi-threaded performance. In terms of future upgrades, you can add more storage, more SSDs in my opinion. More RAM is also possible. You have 4 slots in the motherboard, a better CPU or a better graphics card. In my opinion, if you have $70 more, you can get the GTX 1660 Ti. It's a decent upgrade from the GTX 1660, and that should get you a really good deal. If you want to go with the 1660 Ti, it's linked down below. That's about it for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and smash the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video, the build itself. What would you change if you're going to buy it? If you have any questions, I'll be replying to you guys down there in the comment section. Again, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.